As a day trader, you got to think, are you over trading? Are you sitting at your screens too long, over trading, making mistakes? Because you know what I trade like, guys? I trade the morning move, where is the most volatility, and there's a window of opportunity in the London session and also in the US morning session, which is London afternoon. Now you can see here that this is 1:30 London time, okay? And you can see we get a brand new, the market's just sort of sold off a little bit here. Then suddenly the 1:30 news comes out. We get a green pro train system buy signal. Tracks are green. All three tracks are green. So we buy here. We exit here, okay? So we're running that up at around 940 all the way up to, I mean, we're talking that's a 50 odd point move just in there. 50 multiplied by that 10, that's £500 profit in that window of opportunity right there. And what you can see here is that it's not a long time being at the screens. I've just got this window here where I'm going to use the strategy, the pro train system, in its hottest time. I don't want to do it at 11 a.m. in the morning. I don't want to be trading at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the evening time, where it's the lowest volatility, where the markets don't move very much. And as a day trader, you want to trade where there's most volatility. Most volatility means the price is going to move, and it's going to move quite fast. Let's take a little look at this morning's morning move in the DAX. Okay, so here we are in this morning's move. Okay, so 8 a.m. London time. That's when I really want to focus on my trading, look for a buy or a sell signal. We got the buy signal here, went from red to green. Really simple signal. We get the tracks red. We turn back to red pretty quickly. Then we get a new buy signal to go long. Tracks are still green. We wouldn't want to go red and short the market because the tracks are green. If they were red, then we might want to short it, but the DAX is very bullish at the moment. So we buy here at 21,188, and it shoots all the way up here to, we nearly get a 100-point move here in the German DAX, okay? So a really nice opportunity and taking advantage. And as I said, it's just this window here. You know, I'm not, you know, even though these are some profitable trades, I'm not trading through the lunchtime doldrums here, guys. Have a think about your trading, especially you day traders. If you can't get ahead with your day trading, especially if you're new to trading, think about when you are trading. The most profitable times when you get the biggest moves are in the morning move. And I used our systems and our momentum indicators to get into those trades, and it's consistently, easily given us significant amounts of profit on those moves. The price has to push in one direction, okay? And so you want to ride that direction. You want to be on the train when it leaves the station. You don't want to be chasing the markets when it's too late. So you need a system to get into the trade, which is really clean and easy to do. And that's it. You can make a career trading this window of opportunity. What is it? 7:30 to 8:30? You can certainly create a career doing that, guys, all right? Trading that morning move. And that's the way we do it here at Trading College, all right? So hope it helps, guys. Think about, you know, your trading times, because I think it's really important. There's plenty of other videos on the channel here talking about the morning move and going in, getting your day's money, going for that. We used to call it a dollar run when we used to trade US stocks in the early days on that gap in the afternoon in the US session. We go for that 100-point dollar run, and that's exactly how I've adapted it to trade in the DAX, the FTSE, in those European sessions, going for your day's money in those morning sessions. Hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.